Hey guys! The latest news from the K-pop world, especially about Kim Taehyung, has stolen the attention again. This time there are two big news that you must know. First, the surprising story about Taehyung undergoing helicopter training during his military service. Second, Taehyung's collaboration song with UMI, Wherever Are You, was played in the famous American series, Harlem, at a very meaningful moment. How about it? Really exciting, right? Let's discuss them one by one. A post on the X platform, formerly Twitter, caused a stir among ARMY when an OP, original poster, who knew someone from the SDT, Special Duty Team, unit shared a story about Kim Taehyung. According to him, Taehyung not only underwent military service in the most difficult unit, but also underwent helicopter training. For those who don't know, SDT is an elite unit in the South Korean military that is only filled with selected soldiers with extraordinary physical and mental abilities. They undergo extreme training such as close combat, bomb disposal, and even air missions. The fact that Taehyung underwent helicopter training really proves how tough he is as a soldier. ARMY is so proud. Many did not expect Taehyung to undergo such tough training, considering that K-pop idols usually tend to enter lighter units. But Taehyung proved that he is not only a talented artist, but also a disciplined and dedicated soldier. One fan wrote, "Kim Taehyung, from a global superstar to an elite soldier. He is truly amazing." Many armies have nicknamed Taehyung as Captain Taehyung, showing their pride in his achievements in the military. What do you think? Are you even more impressed with Taehyung after knowing this? On February 8, 2025, BTS fans were surprised by a special moment in the American comedy series Harlem, which aired on Amazon Prime. Taehyung's collaboration song with UMI, Wherever Are You, was played in the final episode of the latest season of the series. The song is heard in a meaningful scene, where a female character confesses her love to her same-sex partner. The couple then embrace and kiss, before the scene shifts to another couple putting their baby to sleep, symbolizing boundless happiness and love. This moment immediately went viral among ARMYs. Many were proud that Taehyung's song was used in a scene that supports the diversity of love. One fan wrote on X, "So iconic! Wherever Are You is played in a proposal scene for a same-sex couple. Taehyung and UMI really created a song that everyone can enjoy." Many fans agreed that this song was indeed made to celebrate love in all its forms. The beauty of the lyrics and the soft melody of Wherever Are You made it a perfect fit for the scene. This is not the first time that Taehyung's song has found a place in the international entertainment industry. Previously, his songs have often been used in various shows and advertisements. This proves that his music has a wide appeal, transcending language and cultural boundaries. Not only that, other news that also rocked fans was the release of the song Winter Ahead. On November 29, 2024, Kim Taehyung released an English digital single titled Winter Ahead, which was a collaboration with legendary Korean singer Park Hyo-shin. This song was released through Big Hit Music and distributed by YG Plus and Hybe. What's more interesting, two physical versions of this song are only available exclusively to fans in the United States through BTS's official store. As expected, Winter Ahead immediately dominated the international charts. This song, ranked number 1 on the iTunes Top Songs chart in 75 countries, debuted at number 86 on the UK official singles chart. This is an extraordinary achievement considering this song is a digital release that was only promoted in a limited way. Fans who heard Winter Ahead praised the beautiful harmony between Taehyung's soft voice and Park Hyo-shin's emotional vocals. Many said that this song is like a warm hug in winter. Many are wondering, when will Taehyung return from military service? According to the official schedule, Kim Taehyung is scheduled to complete his military service in June 2025. Only a few more months until we can see him back in the entertainment world. ARMYs can't wait for his comeback, both as a solo singer and a member of BTS. Do you miss Taehyung too? That's the latest update from the K-pop world, especially about BTS's V, who continues to steal the spotlight even though he is undergoing military service. What do you think about V's achievements on Instagram? Don't forget to write your thoughts in the comments column below. We would love to hear what you think. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates about the K-pop world and BTS. Hit the notification button too so you don't miss other interesting videos. See you in the next video, and keep supporting your idol with enthusiasm. Bye.